Hello friends, welcome to Hotel Guruji channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make poha. So let's see who is new in my channel. Please subscribe my channel. So now I take a pan. Now I put little oil. Now I am going to add mustard seed and red chili whole. Now I add onion, little bit more. Toss this until little brown. Now I add green peas, little, not too much. Now I add salt, turmeric powder, little sugar. Now I add lemon juice, little bit. Little water. It tastes sweet and sour and salty. Now I add poha. Everybody know how to wet poha. Now I add tomato, little bit green chili, little bit green coriander, sorry. Toss until poha hot. See, poha is ready, and look at it, house color, very nice color. Little bit garnish green coriander, and after that I am going to put 2 pieces lemon. If you like my video, press the like button and subscribe button and press bell icon for new notification. Thank you so much.